Hey folks, we're going to be working today with the Launcher AC950 Dual AC system. Works on 134 R134 and works on 1234YF. As you see right here, we connected all our hoses. We got one blue 1234YF and one red 1234YF. We have 134AR and 134R, blue and red. They connected to the quick connect ends. We are ready to go. Right here, when we power up, it's asking us to do pounds or pounds or kilograms. We're going to go to pounds, because most of the people use pounds right here. Please install the rear tank and connect the pipes. As we see right here, this is the rear tank. Make sure they're open. Can you make sure they're open? We hit next. Connect HP and LP with a pipeline and quick connector right here. As we see, we're gonna connect. We're gonna share this video with you. We connect them to quick connect. Again, we click next right here. It's gonna do automatic vacuum because this is the first time we're doing it. It's gonna vacuum out the pipes, and it will be done automatically. After that, I'm gonna wait for it till it finishes. Okay. Go ahead. As we finish, as we see right here, please run the supply function. You hit enter. We have this one or that one. And we know we're going to be working on 1234YF. This vehicle takes 1234YF. Okay, folks. Now this is the main menu right here. If you see right here, flushing recovery. This is recovery, this is vacuum, fill new oil, recharge, auto mode. You see right here, database. This is maintenance. This is where we supply the tank, because we know this is a new one. We're gonna supply a new Freon in it, and actually 1234YF. You get it? So what we do basically is we click on that one right here. As you see, this is the menu. We take the high side connector. You can open it right here. And open the high side too. And basically, it's better to tilt it right here. And click enter. And now we watch it as it goes. We're gonna see that we have to put at least 8 or 9 pounds in it in order to function well, because the vacuum system in it needs it to be at 8 pound level when you're working. So we're gonna put 8 pounds on this one. Now we did the supply. We're gonna go back. Flushing recovery. That's what we need to do first. Then we're going to do recovery by itself, and we're going to do vacuum. But we're going to go to recovery because we know this car is a new car, doesn't need any, it doesn't need any flushing because it's a new car. Now we're going to hook up high side and low side of our 1234YF. Okay. Make sure these ones are closed. Okay, we're going to come back here. So now we're going to do a recovery to make sure there's no Freon in it. Okay. Empty used oil, fine.
So recovery is always, right?
Always you start with recovery, then vacuum. To make sure there's nothing in the tank. It's draining the oil after doing the recovery. If there's any old oil in it, it's going to be draining it. Print service information, we don't need to print because you can press and print it right here. We don't need to print. It's okay. Now, we're done the recovery. We're going to go to vacuum. Vacuum, usually typically 15 minutes, but 15 minutes is too long on this one because we already done vacuum on it. We're going to put it at 10 minutes vacuum. Scissors on this one. This is how you add up and you can load it. You click enter. Now it's going to do vacuum, and we're going to be watching those gauges. They have to be below zero, and they have to stay below zero, both of them, in order to make sure that we have a vacuum tight system. As we see, we have less than a minute to go. Our gauges are below zero. We're looking good. We're gonna wait till it finishes the vacuum. There we go. You can choose to print. You can go ahead and choose the print or no print by clicking enter or gas. Again, looking at the gauges, we're still good. So no print. You're gonna go back to the main menu now. Fill new oil. POE. Okay. Now we're gonna manual, but we're gonna go into. I'm gonna put, usually it's 50 is good, 50 millimeter, but 50 milliliter. But in this case, we're just gonna put 25 because we know there's some left in it. Basically, we're gonna go in and try to do it manually too. Now we did a manual. You can do it automatic. See? That's how we enter it here. Next step would be recharge the system. I'm gonna put less. Well, it's 110 pound. That means I think it's around 500 grams. Now we're supplying the new gas in it. We're gonna print. We're gonna choose the print right here. The report. You're gonna tell us